owner of Drip Tips Barbecue.
Yes, sir. What's going on, brother? Yeah, we Drip Tip Barbecue, man. Been doing this for a little minute, man. Got the best tips in the city. That we brand by.
Where did the name from?
Really, everybody just kept coming talking, man, them tips. And they juicy. So I just started thinking about it like, man, Pizza Hut, they sell everything when they got pizza. So I'm like, you know what? We dripping with the tips. So we Drip Tip Barbecue. We were formerly Pit Friendly Barbecue, but we switched it up because I just like the way the Drip Tip roll better. You know what I'm saying?
How long you been finished?
Business 3 years, but been cooking, grilling all my life. This is what I do, smoke. It was a community thing. You get with the bros, the fellas, the family, and I'm always the one that jumped behind the smoke and made it happen.
What made you want to make that transition? You said you've been cooking for a while. What made you want to go ahead and make it official?
Honestly, it was people. I bought it for my birthday just to do it. You know what I'm saying? And everybody like, bro, you fine, man. You need to get out there and do it, bro. There's money in that food. And I really ain't want to do it. I'm like, man, I ain't trying to make no money off of it, bro. I just do it. It was more about being with friends. It was the fellowship, put it like that, for the choice of words. But everybody just kept telling me to do it. I'm like, you know what? I'll go and do it. So I stepped out there, and when I stepped out, it did good. So I like, I'm gonna keep on at it. I'm gonna turn it down.
So this was your first investment right here, or was you selling out the car, out the trunk? How was you doing?
Oh, this is my first investment right here. Yeah, I had me a little baby grill in the back, and I wasn't selling no plates. It was just straight, everybody just pull up, you know. As long as they was right here with me, you know what I'm saying, it was cool. But the first investment, caught a steal on it.
So let them know some of the ups and downs, because I know it wasn't just all good out the gate. How was it?
Honestly, it was. The only reason I can say that was because this is not my only venture. I have a recording studio in the event space. So what I started doing, I started throwing events at my building. And I started selling food at my building first, and then we was selling out in front of my building. And then after a while, I just kind of got tired of doing the same thing at my building, so I stopped for a while. And then I was like, so let me start getting outside with it and start actually networking with people and getting the name out there a little bit more to go further. But I haven't really had, I can't say really too many downs in it just yet. Honestly, not yet.
This is the only place where you be set up at?
Right now, yeah. Right now I'm here, and I was doing catering. I was catering for schools, but you know it's a lot of politics with that right there. But as of right now, yeah, this is where I'm at. Every once in a while, somebody call me out, I go do catering events. But that's where I'm at right here. I'm at Grayling, 69 Armstrong, right here by the emergency room.
Out here.
You see the hospital? It's 10,000 plus people in the hospital every day. Patients, nurses, ambulances, EMT, police, everybody. So I mean, what other places? There's more than just me. It's other food trucks out here too. So it's money for everybody. So it's just easy. The foot traffic there. You know what I'm saying? Just make it. You don't gotta too much be moving around too much. You know.
So is there one thing or something else that you want to add on to what you got going on here? This is it for you?
Oh no, this is definitely not it. Now I've been getting the reviews I've actually been able to test out new menu items and do different things. I'm seeing that I grew more of a love for it. So right now I'm just slow rolling, stacking, getting everything together. Once I get everything together, you'll see us restaurants, barbecue sauces. We're gonna take it all the way up through there. Ain't no point in stopping something you good at. Yes sir.
They wanted to come see you, get in touch with you on social media. How did they do that?
It's Drip Tip Barbecue. We got Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. It's DRIPTIPS BBQ right here on the shirt. We on all social media platforms. We're going to praise. Y'all give us a follow. Y'all say y'all got it from this interview right here. You know what? I'm gonna give you half off a plate. Just because that. Just holler at me. We outside.